All right, so question 2 for chapter number 5 is basically the same thing, but with a little bit of a continuation or extension on the problem. Again, you're given a balanced chemical reaction. Chemical reaction that I'm given is PbSO4, 2, reacts with 2 moles of zinc and produces 2 moles of ZnSO4 and lead. Now the question is, if infinity PbSO4 is used, and I have 0.39 moles of Zn, then how many grams of ZnSO4 are produced? So this is going beyond the step of moles, because, and it's going on to molar mass. We know that if we have if we have infinity moles of PbSO4 and we have 2 moles of zinc, we're going to make 2 moles of ZnSO4. Now, if we have 0.39 moles of zinc and we have infinity moles of PbSO4, we don't care about the moles of PbSO4. So we're going to do our balanced chemical reaction and our ratio. 2 moles of zinc will produce 2 moles of ZnSO4. Now at this point, we can say 1 mole of ZnSO4 and then reference our periodic table. And when you reference your periodic table, you'll learn that the molar mass of ZnSO4 is 161.47 not Z, grams of ZnSO4. That's all there is to it, because what we want to know is how many grams of ZnSO4. So I'm going to say 0.39 times 2 times 161.47, and I'm going to divide that by 2. And for that, what I'm going to get is 62.973 grams of ZnSO4. To round that down to sig figs if you're told how many to actually use. Or actually, if we had 0.39, so that's 2 sig figs, so this would be about 63 grams. All right, well, that's all there is to that sort of problem. It's one step further from where we were. We have an excess amount and then we have a limiting amount. All right, I hope that was helpful, and